Hey everyone, it's Akos here from Flow. Welcome back to my channel. If you use MagSafe for a while, you already know the trade-off. They're convenient, but once things heat up, especially in the car, charging slows down fast. So today I'm testing 3 ESR MagSafe chargers, all using their CryoBoost active cooling, all rated at Qi2.2 25 watt, but designed for totally different situations. One stays on your desk, one can fold when you travel, and one lives in your car. I've been using all three in real life, so let's talk about what actually matters. Let's go! So what is CryoBoost and why it matters? Before jumping into each product, let's talk about CryoBoost, because that's the reason these chargers even exist. Most wireless chargers rely on passive cooling, basically hoping heat escape on its own. ESR went the opposite way and added active cooling, meaning there's an internal fan pulling heat away from the phone while it charges. Why does it matter? Because heat is what kills charging speed and long-term battery health. With these, charging stays more consistent, especially during navigation, music or long work days. And yes, you can hear the fan if you listen for it, but in normal use, it's quiet enough that you forgot it's even there. So let's start with this one. This is the ESR CryoBoost 3-in-1 charging station, and this one clearly targets desk users. You drop your iPhone on the front at 25 watts, Apple Watch on the side, AirPods at the base, done. No cable mess, no alignment guessing. What I really like is the stand angle. You can actually see notifications, calls, or even hit a standby screen without constantly picking your phone up. This is the one I'd leave plugged in all day, especially if your phone is part of your workflow. And now let's speak about the foldable one. This is basically the same idea, built for people who don't stay in one place. The foldable CryoBoost 3-in-1 gives you the same charging speed and cooling, but it collapses down flat. Throw it in a backpack, laptop bag or even carry-on and suddenly you don't need 3 separate chargers when you travel. If you work between locations or you just hate packing multiple cables, this one makes a lot of sense. And lastly, the OmniLock magnetic car charger. Actually, this one is surprised me the most. First, the mounting system. It locks onto the air vent securely, doesn't feel sketchy and doesn't damage the vent when you tighten it properly. Second, the magnetic strength. Rated up to 1600 grams, 1.6 kg, and yeah, you feel it. Even on uneven roads, the phone doesn't shake, rotate or slide. And because it uses CryoBoost, charging stays stable even during navigation, music and calls, which is where most car chargers usually struggle. Now let's pick the real-world comparison and who each one is for. So here is the simple breakdown. Desk setup all day, go with the standard 3-in-1. Travel or flexible workspace, go for the foldable 3-in-1. Daily driving and navigation, the OmniLock car charger is for you. Same charging speed, same cooling tech, just optimize it for different places. So before I wrap up, a huge thanks to ESR to sending me these products over and sponsoring today's video. As always, opinions are my own, and I've been using these the way I actually would day to day. If you want to check them out, links are in the description and the pinned comment. And if you're searching on Amazon, just look up ESR MagSafe charger or ESI CryoBoost charger and you'll find them easily. Honestly guys, I absolutely recommended all of these 3 products. And if you ask me which one is my favorite, I probably choose the foldable one. Anyway, doesn't matter which one you will get, you will not regret it, 100%. It was Akos from Flow, it was chargers from ESR, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!